Hey, it's Tia, the realest one you're gonna meet here on these YouTube streets. And I don't think I have to ask you to like, comment, or subscribe because if you're a real one, you already have. I just wanted to give y'all a little bit of motivation to get up, get moving and grooving, enjoy your day, and be productive. You don't gotta spend no money. Just get up and do something.
Yeah, like controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they knowing I lie for you. Thinking I die for you. Sure to see cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. But you can't just diss and come tell man sorry. You can't listen to me talk then go tell my story. It don't work like that when you love somebody. My old flex is my new flex now and we're working on it. And that's why I need all the energy that you bring to me. My last girl would tear me apart, but she never wanna split a thing with me. But when it comes to you, I think I'd lie for you. I think I'd die for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shot. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they breathe. First see the city skylight shining from my room. You're such a sight to see in the month of June. Beautiful like the moon's reflection when it's passing off your skin. And before you let me in, I hear you say, it's been a long time. I say, okay, don't worry, I got you. Do you say, I want some more? Got that, got plenty, I got you. Do you say, some slow one? Got that Johnny, Al Green, and Marvin Gaye too. So love you dearly. Ooh, let me love you. Lay back, relax, and girl, I'm a bee. I know just what you like. Love, baby, gentle with you, baby. Oh, yeah. See, I know just when to finish, and I know just when to start, and I'll be loving your reaction.
Anyway, I'm gonna show y'all these pretty flowers my husband got me this morning. They look, I don't know. They're pretty. I don't know if they're dying Or is this the color? But it's like a pretty orange like color. He bought me these. I'm gonna put them in water in a minute. He just set them in here. So, yeah, I thought that was so sweet. He always gives me flowers unexpectedly. And I really like that. Like, I don't want it to become like a routine, because then, I don't know, it's gonna get boring. So, yeah. I was really happy for my flowers. I love putting flowers in my vase, and he knows that.
So in the race, I'm gonna be a number one. Here comes the sun. Let's try to taste them all again. As the sound of love ricochets off the wall. Ooh, this might not be in the bedroom, but I'm gonna love you good and gently. Ooh, light as a feather, but hard as a rock. Hard as a rock.
There must have been an angel by my side. Something heavenly led me to you.
Love you, wanna love you like hard as a rock. I love you gently. Oh, baby, light as a feather, but hard as a rock. You feel me, girl? Hey.
So I am in the car with my niecey Pooh. She's getting ready to leave today, sometime today, I think. If her dad, I guess, feels like taking her home today. So I'm like, I gotta spend some time with my niece because she's getting ready to leave, and I really enjoy her company every time she's here. But she won't be back until like next summer.
Yeah, until like the spring break or something.
Yeah, until the spring break. Yeah, so every break she comes here. So I just pushed her hair back into a cute little ponytail. And we are on our way to a cute little park. We're gonna walk around, see what we can see, which is probably a little bit of nothing. But I just want to get out the house, get some vitamin D, and get some exercising in. A little bit of walking. I should put some gym shoes on, but I got on sandals. Cause I don't plan on like running or nothing like that, so sandals are okay. I'm already gonna be hot in this workout attire, but it's gonna cause me to get a good sweat. I also want to go get a book, a new book. I got books at home, plenty books at home, but I want to get something new, something that I probably would not pick up. But meanwhile, in between time, I have been reading The Secret again. I will show you guys the book when I get back home. And yeah, that is always a good read. To me, it's like a Bible, honestly. I shouldn't be comparing it to the Bible, but it's kind of like a Bible. I'm actually going to put the camera away because it's really hot and I don't want it to overheat, and then I won't be able to record. So I will see you guys when we get there.
Because it's rocks and water.
It's rocks and water, and she says it's beautiful. It is. It's really nice. This park is really nice.
So guys, I Eiffel Tower.
Mm-hmm.
Look there.
One day Titi gonna take you to Paris to see the real.
Eiffel Tower?
Mm-hmm.
It's like so big.
Mm-hmm. Should we do our yoga right here, or you want to look around and pick a place after?
Pick a place after we've been looking around.
Okay.
So guys, look at that. That looks like a jungle. Like rainbow flowers. It's like so cool and so big, but it's a river. This is me and my TT today, and today we're going on a walk. You remember that? And guys, you see that?
Yes,
like
today we are going on a walk.
And TT, look at that! It's so gorgeous, like glowing. Guys, you wanna see it? It's like water's coming off of it.
It's a beautiful day. It feels so good out.
Yeah, but some of these things.
She was saying that this little wheel right here
The little like that.
is beautiful.
It's so beautiful.
But come look at this, man.
Okay.
Now this view is beautiful. I'm gonna show you.
It's like shiny, beautiful with all the birds. And some of them like have a long neck like an ostrich. So guys, let's go upstairs. Come on.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force.
Guys, this is me, Alana, and my TT.
We got our
And
bread,
We got our bread to feed some fish or like some
birds or something.
or like some like swans.
I don't know, there's no swans. I don't even hear no birds, y'all.
Let's just go feed some fish.
After we leave here,
We're going to the park.
yes, we did a nice little yoga section. It was so good. Did y'all see my niece teaching me how to do yoga?
Yeah.
She's a professional. She teaches yoga classes if you guys want any.
Help for me.
Mhm.
I'm gonna be I want to be a yoga teacher and a yoga babysitter.
Oh, she can teach her babies yoga. All right, we will see you guys when we get to the park.
We need some more. Let's look for some more. We need some more. It's coming towards us.
There is a little park right here. I'm about to take my niece to. It's a little water park. It's hot. Why not? We had a very productive day. Very, very productive. She waving at me. No. Not under it. Under. Go real fast. Go real fast. Girl. So, if you didn't do nothing today, get up and do something. Get off your and do something, okay? It don't matter what it is. And it don't have to take money or nothing like that. Just get out, go for a walk, do something. Because it feels so good just getting out, getting this vitamin D. Like, at first, I usually used to be like, I don't like how, being in the sun. Girl, it feels good to get this boost of energy from the sun. So yeah, if I can encourage y'all to do that, please do. I hope I get some type of encouragement with my little self-care, motivation, get up today type video. Yeah.
It's freezing. It's freezing cold.
She's having fun now. I told her, I said, girl, you could get wet in your clothes. She's like, I don't want to get wet in my clothes. It's perfectly fine to get wet in the clothes.
Soaking wet.
Okay.
You will get wet. You'll get wet.
I thought my makeup was giving cute. Yeah, but it might be getting a little dry. What y'all think? I don't know. But I took the glasses off and I was humbled real quick because the makeup is cracking. It's melting. It's so hot. Y'all, here's my book that I was telling y'all about. It has been through some things, like literally, y'all. But I love this book. And yeah, I just get so much joy out of it, and it's helped me so many times through hard times. If you don't have it or you haven't seen this book, you should check it out. One thing I always forget to do is end the vlog. I swear. So I am ending the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed my productive day. It was definitely a productive day for me. I got up and I did something. Yeah, I ate tamales and Spanish rice. And my man, he always cooks like sometimes, well, not always, but sometimes he cooks like extra options. And our other option was chicken Alfredo. So yeah, we had a great dinner. It was good. And yeah, I'm about to leave this vlog here. And right now I'm watching some small YouTubers and I'm subscribing to like a lot of smaller channels. I love watching smaller channels. I don't know, it's just more authentic. And yeah, I like it. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later.